We're here at the Donnelly Conventional Center and we're at the Musclecar and Corvette Nationals. Please enjoy the next video.
Welcome to USClassicMuscleCars. Okay,
Jeff.
Sorry, my bad. Can you tell me a little bit of this beautiful car?
Yeah, this is a 68 Charger, Hemi car, medium gold, automatic, stripe delete, which you see there's no stripe on the rear. It's got a rear defroster, which is a rare option. Car was originally purchased by a pharmacist in '68 in Pennsylvania, and then it was sold to a Ford dealer in, I believe, 1989. Eventually the car spent a little bit of time in Arizona, back to Indiana, or back east to Indiana, and the car was restored in about 2011 by Paul Jacobs.
Can you tell me a little bit about the paint?
The paint's medium gold. Troy Angeli did the paint, and he's got a booth over here. He's one of the best painters out there, and you can see the quality that he puts out.
How many trophies these beautiful cars got?
Well, in 2013, that was the last time the car was here at this show, and this car in 13 we took Concourse Gold, scored 970 points. Brought the car back this year, had it judged, and it looks like I've improved the score closer to that 1,000-point mark.
Can you tell me about the wheels?
Well, those are original to the car. You know, as you see, the build sheet is on the board over there, and that's the way this car was built. So these are original to the car.
Can you tell me about the engines of the car?
Well, this is your 426 Hemi. You know, the biggest motor made back in '68, and you know, the car again built, and as you can see on the board over there, I mean, that's the way this car was produced, and that's the way the car was judged. So big block Hemi, automatic, 727 torque flight.
Nice. Can we take a look inside of the car?
Sure.
So do you have to say something about inside?
Okay.
Do you want to say something about inside?
Well, inside, you know, you're going to see your bucket seats, your console, automatics in the middle there, your wood grain steering wheel. Again, this car has a rear defroster, which is an option. AM/FM radio is an option.
How many miles?
Well, since restoration, I've only got about 10 or 11 miles on the car.
Oh, okay.
So I've only driven it in and out of the show and once around.
Do you drive this car? Do you like to drive her?
Well, I love to drive it. I just don't drive it very much.
Oh, okay. So how long it took you to restore this car?
Well, I bought the car from Jerry Hogan's estate. So we actually bought 3 cars out of his estate. Unfortunately, he passed away. And I was fortunate enough to find out about the cars, go see them on a given Saturday morning. His son showed them to me. And this is what we saw. So this is how I bought the car. And my understanding is it was about a 2-year project to restore it. Again, Paul Jacobs down on the board there. He did the overall planning of the restoration. Troy Angeli at T&A did the paint and body. So it was a collective effort for those guys. And again, fortunate enough to find the car in this condition. And it's now taken 2 Concourse Gold awards.
Nice. If I ask you to let me drive your car, will you let me?
Sure, once you give me enough money.
How much money?
Well, I need quite a bit.
Well, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.